Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology reproduction in animals. In this class we can learn what is the meaning of fertilization. During sexual intercourse, the sperms are released in the vagina with the help of their tail. Out of the millions of sperms released into the vagina, only few of them able to reach to the oviducts. The rest die on the way and are absorbed. We can learn with the help of the diagram. This is female reproduction system diagram. During sexual intercourse, the sperms are released in the vagina with the help of their tail. Here, so many sperms. So many sperms are released in the vagina. But only one sperm or penetrates into the egg. The egg is released in the ovary. Only one egg is released in the ovary for 1 month. After the egg travels in the oviduct, whenever the sperms enters and penetrate into the egg, and remaining all sperms are died. If an egg in the oviduct, it gets fertilized by single sperm. During this fusion, the tail of the sperm is left behind and only head part is penetrates into the egg. So the tail is only useful for the transportation of the sperm in the female reproductive system. So here the sperm penetrates into the egg, then the tail is detached. So the head part is only penetrates and enters into the egg. The nucleus of the sperm fuses with the nucleus of the egg. This act of fusion is called fertilization. Implantation. What is the meaning of the implantation? The fertilized egg is called as zygote. Zygote starts developed and it reaches the uterus. A small ball of numerous cells is formed. Embryo forms a pit in the wall of the uterus and fixed in it. This natural way of fixing of the embryo in the wall of the uterus is called implantation. This produces the state of pregnancy. So what is the meaning of the implantation? After the fertilization completed, the zygote is formed and the zygote develops and it forms a embryo and then it reaches in the uterus wall. So this is called implantation. So after the growth is in the uterus. Growth means increase in the size and weight an individual during the process of development. In the growth process, single-celled fertilized egg divide to form a cluster of cells. The division is accompanied by another process, specialization of cells. It leads to form different body parts. The process is called differentiation. It means many body parts formed like legs, hands and other organs formed. The process gives rise to various tissues, organs and organ systems. First of all, After the fertilization, zygote forms. The zygote grows, and after then embryo forms, and after the embryo developed, it forms fetus. This is the 3 months baby. So, end of 5 weeks of pregnancy, embryo is quite an advanced stage. In this period, the heart, circulatory system formed. After 2 months, limbs also formed. Birth. Gestation period. What is the meaning of the gestation period? The full term of the development of embryo in the uterus is called gestation. In human, gestation period about 280 days. At the time of birth, the baby is pushed out with the head oozing out first by powerful muscle contractions. Contractions means just like this, contractions of the uterus through the vagina. So gestation period is also called incubation period. This period is between implantation and birth. What is the meaning of the implantation? This is the uterus. This is zygote. So the zygote is fixed into the uterus. Implantation means here uterus wall. This is the uterus wall. The zygote is implanted. So this is implantation. After the implantation, before the birth, the period, that means between the implantation and the birth, middle of the period is called gestation period. This is the overall the topic of the fertilization, implantation, growth and gestation period. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.